Your car is dying. Not dramatically, not all at once, but slowly, quietly, every single day. And the killer? It's not bad roads, it's not cheap parts, it's not even age. It's you, your habits, the stuff you do without even thinking. Look, nobody buys a car planning to destroy it, but here's the uncomfortable truth most drivers never hear. The little things you do every day, the stuff that feels completely normal, might be shaving years off your car's life. We're talking about habits so common, so automatic, that you've probably already done at least one of them today. This is JourneyAuto, and today we're exposing 5 everyday habits that are secretly wrecking your car from the inside out. The good news? Every single one is fixable, once you know what to look for. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, the cold start sprint. All right, picture this morning. It's freezing outside, you're already running late, you jump in, crank the ignition, throw it in drive, and immediately hit the gas. Sound familiar? Congratulations, you just put brutal stress on an engine that wasn't ready for it. Here's what's happening under that hood. When temperatures drop, your engine oil thickens. It becomes sluggish, lazy. It's sitting in the oil pan like cold honey instead of flowing through all those critical components. When you start driving immediately, especially driving hard, metal parts are grinding against each other with minimal lubrication. Pistons, bearings, camshafts, all working overtime without proper protection. Do this enough mornings and you're accelerating wear that should take years into just months. The fix is painfully simple. After starting your engine in cold weather, just wait. 1 to 2 minutes of idle time. That's it. Let that oil warm up, thin out, and circulate everywhere it needs to go. And for the first few minutes of driving, take it easy. No aggressive acceleration, no red line heroics. Let everything reach operating temperature first. Your engine will thank you with an extra 100,000 miles. Habit number 2, gambling with the gas light. Be honest. How often do you drive around with that gas light glaring at you? I'll fill up tomorrow. There's a cheaper station down the road. I know my car. I've got at least 20 more miles. Sound like you? Yeah, you're playing a dangerous game. Here's what most people don't realize. Your fuel pump isn't just sitting there pushing gas. It's submerged in fuel, and that fuel is what keeps it cool. When your tank runs low, that pump starts sucking air instead of being bathed in gasoline. It overheats, it works harder, it wears out faster. And fuel pumps? Not cheap to replace. We're talking several $100s, sometimes more, depending on your vehicle. But wait, there's another problem. When your tank is nearly empty, all the sediment and debris that's settled at the bottom, that's what gets sucked into your fuel system, straight to your fuel filter, your injectors, your engine. The rule is simple. Never let your fuel level drop below 1/4 tank. 1/3 is even better. Yes, it means more frequent gas station stops, but it also means your fuel pump lives a long, happy life, and your wallet stays a lot heavier. Habit number 3, riding the brakes. Let's talk about something you might not even notice you're doing. Riding the brakes. Maybe it's going down a long hill. Maybe it's crawling through stop-and-go traffic. Maybe you're just one of those drivers who keeps a foot hovering on the brake pedal constantly. Whatever the reason, you're cooking your braking system alive. Brake pads and rotors are designed to handle heat, but not constant, prolonged heat. When you ride the brakes, friction builds up with no chance to cool down. Rotors warp, pads glaze over, brake fade sets in. Suddenly, that one time you actually need maximum stopping power, it's not there. And the repair bill? New rotors, new pads, possibly new calipers. We're talking hundreds of dollars for something completely preventable. Here's the smarter approach. On downhill stretches, use engine braking. Shift to a lower gear and let the engine help control your speed. Your brakes get a break, literally. In traffic, maintain safe following distance. Anticipate stops instead of reacting to them. Smooth, gradual braking extends pad life dramatically. Your brakes work hard enough. Stop making them work overtime. Habit number 4, the "it's probably nothing" trap. This one might be the most expensive habit on the entire list. You hear something weird, a rattle from the suspension, a squeak when you brake, a slight vibration at highway speeds, maybe a little smoke from the exhaust that wasn't there before. And what do most people do? Turn up the radio. It's probably nothing. I'll check it out next month. It's been doing that for a while and the car still runs fine.
Famous last words before a catastrophic repair bill. Here's the reality. Small problems don't stay small. That tiny suspension noise could be a worn bushing that costs $50 now, or a destroyed control arm that costs $500 later. That slight engine knock, minor issue today, rebuilt engine tomorrow. Cars give you warning signs. They're literally telling you something's wrong. Ignoring those signs doesn't make problems disappear, it makes them multiply. The habit to build? Treat every new sound, smell, or sensation like it matters, because it probably does. Get it checked early. Regular inspections catch problems when they're cheap and simple, not when they've snowballed into wallet-destroying disasters. Habit number 5, driving like you're in a movie. We've all seen them. The driver who launches from every green light like they're racing for a trophy. The one who waits until the last possible second to brake. The person who treats every highway on-ramp like a drag strip. Maybe that's you sometimes. Look, aggressive driving feels exciting. It feels powerful. It feels fast. You know what else it is? Incredibly expensive. Every jackrabbit start puts massive stress on your transmission, drivetrain, and engine mounts. Every hard brake accelerates pad and rotor wear. Every aggressive maneuver chews through tires faster than you'd believe. And fuel economy? Forget about it. Aggressive driving can drop your MPG by 30% or more. You're literally burning money while simultaneously wearing out every major system in your vehicle. The mindset shift? Smooth is fast. Smooth is efficient. Smooth is smart. Accelerate gradually. Anticipate traffic flow. Plan your route to minimize stop-and-go situations. Treat the gas pedal and brake pedal like they cost you $1 every time you use them. Because honestly, they kinda do. The bigger picture. Here's what all 5 of these habits have in common. They feel harmless in the moment. One cold start sprint won't kill your engine. One trip on empty won't destroy your fuel pump. One aggressive launch won't blow your transmission. But habits compound. Day after day, month after month, year after year. That reliable car that should have lasted 200,000 miles, now it's falling apart at 120,000, and you're left wondering what went wrong. Nothing went wrong. You just never knew what to avoid. Now you do. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus habits that take 0 effort but protect your car massively. First, check your tire pressure monthly. Underinflated tires wear unevenly, hurt fuel economy, and can even blow out unexpectedly. Takes 2 minutes with a cheap gauge. Second, don't ignore dashboard warning lights. That check engine light isn't decoration, it's your car begging for attention. Get the code red. It's often free at auto parts stores. Third, park in shade when possible. Sun destroys interiors, fades paint, and cooks rubber seals and trim. A little shade extends your car's appearance and interior life dramatically. Small habits, massive payoff over time. So there it is, 5 everyday habits silently destroying cars. Cold start sprints, gambling with empty tanks, riding the brakes, ignoring warning signs, driving like every trip is a race. Every single one is completely avoidable once you're aware of it. Your car isn't just transportation, it's an investment. Treat it that way, and it'll reward you with years of reliable, trouble-free service. That's the JourneyAuto philosophy. Drive smarter, last longer. If this opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button. We've got more content coming that'll save you serious money and headaches down the road. Take care of your car. It's taking care of you.